I'm here with the Frideko floor lamp. It comes in a pretty basic packaging here, but I'm hoping I'll be blown away because I couldn't wait to get this. So let's unbox this thing. Okay, so the packaging seems pretty solid. Oh, it's a pretty heavy floor stand here. You can really see this holding a large lamp. Then we have a ring, the lamp holder here, the pretty large base that can fold out, it seems, and a light bulb holder, a light bulb just from another brand that's in there, and then the lamp shade, a remote, and a little booklet. So let's install this. Okay, so the power cord isn't that long. I can't get it all the way to the back of the room there. I just have to do with this. And let's try and push the foot switch here. Yeah, and that's on. That's pretty cool. The little blue light right now, we can't really see that here, but I think it looks great. Little blue light. So let's install the lamp shade right now. So this just clamps on there, it seems. Holding it pretty tight. So that is on, and let's turn it on again with the foot switch. So it's a nice little light. Most of the light comes from below here, so that looks. Lampshade is quite nice. It's a cool lamp. I would like to have the light go all the way through, I think. It is still pretty nice. So let me turn down the light for a second so you can see a little bit better. So now the lights turned down. This is a pretty cool light here. Then you also get a remote. You can also use an app with the light bulb. It's just the light bulb that works with the app, not the lamp itself. Oh, now it's turning another color. So you can turn it up, turn it down, and then do a few different color settings here. So that's a bright sunlight, darker here. You can use the RGB light here to turn it different colors. So that's pretty cool. I really like it.